Oh, hi there! Today we're going to the best budget IKEA products to decorate your home for fall with. I've packed so many fall decor ideas for your home, I just can't wait to share them. Even if you're not into seasonal decorating, I assure you, you will love these IKEA finds. So stay with me as we go through all of them. I'm Man, by the way. Thank you so much for stopping by. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so we can start right away. Now let's talk about the palette for this fall real quick. Rather than the regular reds and oranges, I encourage you to go for something more neutral and moody this fall. So we're thinking lots of deep greens, grays, dark browns, and cream tones. And let me just tell you right off, I myself am not into seasonal decor. However, I do like to set the mood for each season by bringing in some piece of decor that matches that season. And my personal favorite way to do that is through cushions. That being said, an IKEA cushion cover that is perfect for this fall is this dark beige one in washed linen fabric. This one has such a soft texture that creates a casual, effortless look that only gets better with each wash. You can also get it in black and in 2 different sizes. Another one IKEA cushion cover that's also perfect for setting the mood for fall is this beautiful gray-green cushion cover. This one has such a unique color that's made out of plant-based dye that's extracted from agricultural residue of saw palmetto palms. The dense cotton fabric has a slightly rough texture that adds so much character. I just love it. This one also is a more budget-friendly option. Another great way to add the fall color palette into your home is through throws and blankets. And one of my favorite ones for this fall is this super soft crinkle knit throw with fringes. It honestly doesn't get much cozier than this. The deep green tone is so easy to coordinate with the other furniture you have at home, and the fabric is made from 100% recycled polyester. Plus, it comes at a great price point for $9.99. Another great option for budget IKEA throw would be this stretchable and flexible knit throw in brown. I love the texture and the color, plus it's so soft and provides a snuggable layer of warmth and comfort. This one, however, comes at $24.99. Another great way to welcome those fall vibes into your home is by bringing in scented candles. And my favorite IKEA candle for fall is this earthy, smoky candle with sweet notes. I mean, just the candle jug on its own is such a fall-inspired decor, but the scent will definitely add on that tranquil atmosphere inspired by wilderness and warming fires. Just loving this one. And if you're looking for something even more budget-friendly, then you can check out this IKEA candle in dark green glass with a fresh scent of mint and green leaves. This one looks so beautiful as a decor piece and comes at $9.99. Now, my go-to for bringing in fall inside my home is swapping up the bed linens into something moodier. And I have a few budget IKEA options for you, but my favorite one has to be the DYTÅG duvet cover with matching pillowcases in this beautiful brown tone. I know that this one is a bit pricey, but it's a quality piece of bedding you'll use for many years to come. This one's made out of pre-washed linen with a crushed texture. It has such an effortless fall look that only gets better with each wash. However, if you want to keep it on the budget, then check out this duvet cover in this earthy green color with dark brown button details. I absolutely love. This one's so simple yet so beautiful, and it comes at a great price point for $34.99. And if you're into patterns when it comes to bedding, then you can opt for this rich floral pattern in earthy tones. The densely woven cotton with matte surface feels cool and crisp against your skin, yet it brings richness with its beautiful fall palette. Another one of my go-to decor pieces for fall are dried flowers and branches. And I would strongly encourage you to go out on a walk and pick up something you like from the landscapes around you. However, if you are living in a big city and you don't have that option, then you can check out some of Ikea's amazing fall-inspired artificial plants. These sprays are my go-to for fall decorating, period. They come at such a great price and I love using them throughout my home. And if you try to stay away from plastics as much as you can, I got you. These dried parts of flowers look so nice and will bring that fall mood into your home. Even though this one is made from natural flowers, it will remain just as fresh looking year after year. You can also check out this one, which is made out of recycled plastic. This one replicates the maple tree and will fill your home with autumn colors. And the last fall-inspired IKEA product I have for you today is this gorgeous vase that you can add as a centerpiece on your dining or coffee table. This one is created in Mount-blown leftover glass, has clean shapes, tactile materials, and a beautiful muted green-brown color. And this one is specifically designed to hold your flowers in place, since the rings at the bottom will hold the stems at the desired angle and will create space between the flowers. And that wraps it up for today. I really hope you like my picks of simple and budget IKEA fall finds. If you did, let me know which one was your favorite by leaving me a comment in the comment section below. Also, just to let you know, I'm super excited for next week's video, since there are so many new IKEA products that are coming up in September, and I can't wait to share them with you. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, I'll see you designers next week. Bye! I just finished filming and I now realize that I didn't really set up the camera correctly so that you can see Mars throughout the video, but he was mostly sleeping, so let's go. Mars? Hey buddy, will you say bye? Will you say bye to the family? And I just wanted to let you know, for all of your kind words you are giving to Mars each week in the comment section below, I just wanted to let you know that Mars actually has an Instagram profile. So if you want to see more of him, I will make sure to leave a link into the description box, because I'm honestly obsessed with documenting his life. So I just wanted to let you know that you can follow him on his Instagram profile, where I post daily. His profile is Planet of Mars. You can check it out on Instagram, and you can see there my other passion, which is traveling and nature. And we have a honeymoon ahead, on which Mars will be the star of the show, as he always is. So you may want to stay tuned. Right, Mars? Say follow me on Instagram. Oh my god, you couldn't care less. You couldn't care less. Oh, is there a smile? Is there a smile?